Welcome to Chemistry Lover, and this question I posted yesterday on my timeline and also in the community tab. Many people got the right answer, but many of you did mistake. So most of you are saying that A would be the correct answer, which is not. So A is not the correct answer, and let me tell you that the correct answer is D. So whoever said that D is the correct answer, they are right. Now in this video I will quickly explain why D is the correct answer in this particular question. Okay, so let me draw the structure again. So this was the compound which was given, and it is a Solvolysis reaction in acetic acid solvent, and this side you have OTS. Now if if a little bit different question would be given, for example, if you had a compound like this where OTS group is in this side, then you are already familiar with this question that this double bond do neighboring group participation, this goes, and you will have this bridging carbocation, non-classical carbocation over here, and this side is blocked. So now your nucleophile, so here you have positive charge, now your nucleophile ACOH will attack from this side, and you will get this as your product. So from this opposite side of the double bond the OAC will come. So this is the answer, but in this case the question is bit different, and the stereochemistry is different. So you have this OAC group on the same side where the double bond is. So the sigma star orbital, if you consider the sigma star orbital of this sorry, this is not OAC, actually this is OTS. So the sigma star orbital of this COTS bond, you can see this is the sigma star. This is not perfectly oriented so that this double bond can participate. So this neighboring group participation from the double bond cannot occur here, and that's why if you compare the rate of these two reaction, this one will show 10 to the power almost 10 to the power 7 fold higher rate compared to this one. Okay, not it may not be 10 to the power 7, but definitely it will show much higher rate compared to this one. But the question here is what will be the product in this particular case. So in this case two things can happen. Normally this OTS can leave like this, so from here this OTS can leave and you will have positive charge over here, or which is more likely is that if you look carefully at the structure, so here you have the sigma star of this OTS bond, and now if you look this particular bond, this one, so let me do it in different colors. So this particular bond which is represented in red, so these two are parallel, this one and this one, they are parallel. So here you have this sigma bond like this, and this sigma and this sigma star, they are parallel. So what can happen is this sigma can go here, so this is how a alkyl shift occurs, and this OTS will now go. So from this what you will get, here you will get something like this. So here you have this situation, and it will grow positive charge over here like this, right? Now if I write down in proper way, it will look something like this. Here you have positive charge, here you have double bond. Now why this forms? Because you can see this is a delocalized allyl carbocation. So this is a allyl carbocation which is delocalized, and you can have resonance hybrid this, and you know that allyl cations are very much stable, so that's why this allyl cation forms. And on this allyl cation now OAC, basically acetic acid, it can attack either from this side or from another side, but product will be same in both cases. So you will get this as your product. So due to the stability of this allylic carbocation, this carbocationic rearrangement will occur. So this is a kind of carbocation rearrangement. So it can happen continuously spontaneously when this OTS bond is breaking. It can both can happen simultaneously, or after the formation of this carbocation it can migrate, but nonetheless the final outcome will be same, this allyl cation, and on attack on this allyl cation will give this product. So from all this option D will be the correct answer. So this is the quick video. Congratulations whoever did correct, and who couldn't find it, I think this video will be helpful for them. Thank you for watching.